Are you tired of scrolling your mobile without getting anything in return? Look no further. In this exciting video, I'll reveal a groundbreaking method to earn money while watching ads. Imagine earning a passive income by simply enjoying your favorite content. Join the thousands of individuals who are already benefiting from this incredible opportunity. Don't miss out on this chance to turn your free time into money-making moments. Watch the video now and start earning today. But before we dive in, check out the link in the description box to discover amazing proven methods to make money online. Don't miss out on the incredible opportunities we're bringing your way. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our videos to unlock the doors to financial freedom. Now let's get started. Browse and get paid. Monetize your browser, get paid for ads, and cash in with Slice. Slice is a browser extension that enables users to easily monetize the time and attention they invest in internet browsing. Earn passive income simply by browsing with the Slice extension enabled. Remove it at any time, with no strings attached. To earn, simply install the browser extension. As you browse the internet, they'll display ads on the pages you visit. You just watch ads and get paid. Slice offers the most effortless path to personal monetization in the history of the internet. And money, one click installs. It doesn't get any easier. One click to start earning money. No annoying signups. No hassle. Browse as always. Slice adds Loki ads to the websites you visit, and you get paid for every view. Get paid. See your earnings grow in real time with instant, easy withdrawals whenever you want. Payouts are currently available via the Bitcoin Lightning Network and PayPal. Don't miss out on this chance to turn your free time into money-making moments. In the end, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.